guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay glue gun and glue sticks for glue gun. Main color niya is color blue. Material, ABS, aluminum. Working power, 20 watts. Working voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Working temperature, 356 to 392 Fahrenheit. Nozzle diameter, 0.12 inch to 0.39 inch. Warm up time, 3 to 5 minutes. Cable length, 1.4 meter by 4.6 feet. Size, 5.12 inch by 4.33 inch by 0.91 inch by 130 mm by 110 mm by 23 mm. Ang net weight niya, 111 grams. Glue stick size, 7 mm by 220 mm. Yes, yan ang ating glue gun and glue sticks. So guys, ang description niya, heats up in 3 to 5 minutes and maintain constant temperature automatically, making it an ideal adhesive for home, office, and school DIY crafts project including metal, wood, glass, card, fabric, plastic, ceramics, and so on. Safety and comfortable power switch with LED light mode. With detachable and flexible support to keep the gun stable and upright and allow you to use this gun in any angle. Trigger propulsion device controls glue flow will help you save much more glue sticks. With high quality and insulated nozzle, there's no deforming of the gun, even long-term use under 500 Fahrenheit. Keep clean of the glue sticks to avoid impurity. Block the nozzle and do not pull out of the remnant glue sticks after each time using. The remaining pressure inside the glue gun will push a little molten glue out of the gun, even stop use. So, to save your glue, please release the trigger or cut off the power in advance. So guys, try naman natin siyang itry. Ito ang ating glue gun. So, try natin siyang i-on. So, guys, hintayin natin siyang uminit ng 3 to 5 minutes. Tingin lang natin siyang uminit. So, itatry naman natin siyang gamitin kung gaano siya kadikit. Parang sa relasyon nyo. Titignan natin siya kung gaano siya kahigpit. Ayan siya guys, nalabas na siya. Nalabas na yung ating glue stick. And then, try naman natin siyang idikit. Ayan siya guys. I-off muna natin siya. Antayin natin dumikit tong nasa eraser. Nasa eraser. Ito muna. So, antayin natin siyang dumikit. So, titignan natin kung gaano kahigpit yung kapit niya. Ayan siya, guys. Makapit na makapit. Kasing kapit ng relasyon nyo. Charing. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya, kung makikita nyo, guys. Sobrang kapit niya. Ayan ang ating glue gun and glue sticks. Ang glue stick natin ay 100 per pack. And ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat.